Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. We're just doing a quick video on a Starline i96 on this Fiat Ducato, which is paired to the customer's phone. What we're going to do is just show you how the range works. So if someone gets in the vehicle with the keys, tries to start it, you see it doesn't start, they need to have the customer's phone with them. So for the sake of the video, we put the customer's phone on the curb over here, which is still connected. So simply all we do, pick it up, put it in our pocket, walk to the van with the phone on, turn ignition, hear a melody, and the vehicle will start. Without the phone it won't start. Once again, as long as the phone's paired, you can hop in the vehicle, hear your melody and start. If you want to take this van for a service and you don't want the Starline to be activated, so you don't have to give the garage your phone, simply hop into the app where you'll see a green circle, press and hold on the key until it goes yellow. Get 2 bleeps and now this is in service mode. There's no need to give the garage a phone, simply pop the key in, give it to the garage, it will start up like the system doesn't exist. When you get it back, do the same thing in reverse, so hop into the app. You'll have a yellow circle to say it's in valet mode, press and hold on the app, it will go green. 2 bleeps and the vehicle's protected again. So what we'll do, we'll just put the phone out of range. So we'll just pop it in front of the van again. Just pop it on the curb down here, turn it off. The phone's just there. Now if we hop into the van, to make sure it's protected again, ignition on, we won't hear our melody and the vehicle won't start. If you want to get one of these fitted on your vehicle, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Number to us is 0208 212 7393. Once again, that's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.